Ooh, da, da, da. When the night is heavy and the road feels long, I remember Jesus and I keep holding on. Through the silent battles, through the pouring rain, He speaks peace softly in the middle of my pain. He never walks away, His love will always stay. Jesus, carry me through the fire, lift my soul and take me higher. When my strength is almost gone, you remind me to keep moving on. Jesus, light inside my soul, you heal the broken and make me whole. In every season, in all I do, my heart keeps running back to you. Many people search for hope in fading things, but your mercy shines brighter than earthly kings. You calm the fear that tries to fill my mind. In your presence, peace is what I find. Even in the valleys low, your grace is all I need to know. You are the truth, the life, the way. Your love grows stronger every day. Jesus, carry me through the fire, lift my soul and take me higher. Through every storm, your voice is true. Forever I will follow you.